everyone, and a very warm welcome back to Ms. English Podcast, where learning English is simple, fun, and even exciting. I am Chloe, your host.
Hello, Chloe, and a big hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. I am Ethan. I am so happy to be here with everyone today.
It is really fantastic to be back, Ethan. I am very excited and full of energy. How are you feeling today?
I am feeling great, Chloe. The sun is shining, I have my favorite cup of tea, and I am ready to have a long, relaxed conversation with you. How about you?
I am feeling very energetic too. I think it is because of today's topic.
Oh, I love it when you are energetic. That makes the conversation even more lively and interesting. So, what are we talking about today?
Today we are talking about something that many English learners find very difficult. It is not grammar, it is not vocabulary. It is something in your mind.
Oh, in the mind. That sounds serious. What is it?
It is the fear of not being perfect in English. Many learners think, I must speak perfectly. I must not make mistakes.
Ah, yes. The perfection monster. I know that feeling very well. It is scary sometimes.
Exactly. And that is why today our main message is very simple. You do not need to be perfect in English. You just need to start.
I love that. You just need to start. It sounds simple, but sometimes it is hard to do.
Yes, but the truth is that starting is the most important step. And we will give you practical tips today to help you start speaking English right now.
Before we begin, Chloe, I want to remind everyone something.
Yes, Ethan, if you enjoy this conversation and want to learn more English with us, please subscribe to Ms. English Podcast.
That's right. Click the subscribe button and also give this episode a big like. Share it with friends, family, or anyone who wants to improve their English. Your support helps us a lot and keeps us motivated.
Thank you so much to everyone listening today. Now, Ethan, let's start talking about how to begin speaking English without fear.
Great. Chloe, why do you think many people wait to start speaking English?
I think many learners are afraid of making mistakes. They think, if I speak, I will say something wrong.
Yes, the fear of mistakes is very common. But here is the truth. If you wait until your English is perfect, you may wait forever.
That is true. Imagine if I waited until I was perfect at cooking, I might never eat dinner.
Exactly. We all need practice, but it has to be real practice, not just 5 minutes of studying every few weeks.
So, Ethan, I am ready. I am your student today. What is the very first tip for learners?
The first tip is about listening and watching.
Listening and watching? I like watching things. That is fun.
Yes, you need to watch short videos in English, like clips on social media or YouTube Shorts. Short videos are easier because you can watch them again and again.
Okay, and should I use subtitles?
Very important. Always use English subtitles, not your native language. That way, your brain connects the spoken words with the written words in English.
Oh, I see. So my brain will learn faster.
Exactly. And watch videos that you enjoy. Cooking, cars, sports, comedy, anything that makes you happy. Repetition will help your brain remember words in phrases.
That makes sense. Watching something interesting will not feel like studying.
Exactly. And after watching a video once, watch it again. Maybe a third time. Repeat it out loud if you can. Try saying what you hear. That is how your brain connects listening with speaking.
Okay, short videos, English subtitles, repetition, and speaking along. Got it.
The next tip is called self-talk.
Self-talk? Do you mean talking to myself?
Yes, Chloe. You can talk to yourself. No teacher is needed. You can whisper or speak quietly at home.
Oh, I like that. What should I say?
Narrate your life. Describe what you are doing. For example, if you are making breakfast, say, I am taking the eggs. I am opening the fridge. The pan is hot.
Simple sentences about what I am doing. That is easy.
Try doing this for 30 seconds at first. It may sound easy, but it is actually a little challenging because you must think quickly in English.
I see. So I could say, I am drinking my tea. It is hot. I am putting the cup down. I am opening the window.
Perfect. You are practicing real-time English thinking, and if you don't know a word, that is fine. Look it up later and add it to your vocabulary.
Speaking of vocabulary, what is the next tip?
Tip 3. Don't learn random words. Learn expressions you actually use in daily life.
What do you mean by random words?
Some learners memorize lists of words they never use, like names of tools, types of fish, or kitchen items.
Ah, yes. I learned screwdriver once, but I never used it in real life.
Exactly. Instead, learn phrases you use every day. For example, I am tired, I need a break. These phrases are much more useful.
That makes sense. I can save them in a notebook or on my phone.
Yes. That way, your English is immediately practical and usable.
And what is the fourth tip?
Tip 4 is about sentence frames. Use simple sentence patterns and make many new sentences.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Start with, I usually. For example, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I usually drink coffee. I usually take the bus. I usually wear jeans.
Oh, I see. I can make many sentences quickly using one pattern.
Exactly. You are practicing grammar without studying a grammar book. You can try other patterns too, like, I like to, or I am going to.
For example, I like to read books. I like to drink tea. I am going to the shop. I am going to sleep.
Perfect. You see, you can say many things with just a few patterns. This builds confidence.
In the last tip, Ethan?
The last tip is reading out loud. For 5 to 10 minutes, read non-stop. Don't stop, even if you make mistakes.
Why read nonstop?
Because it trains your mouth, lips, and tongue to move in English naturally. It helps you get the flow of English, instead of worrying about perfection.
Can I read anything?
Anything. A children's book, a news article, a blog post, or even the transcript of this podcast.
Oh, I could read our conversation out loud.
Exactly. Listen to your English voice. It might feel strange at first, but you will get used to it. This is your new English voice.
That is motivating, and all these tips can be done at home, right?
Yes, even in your pajamas. The most important thing is action. Passive learning is okay, but active learning is much better.
Mistakes are not walls, they are stepping stones.
Yes, English is a tool for communication, not a test.
Let's review the tips. 1. Watch short videos with English subtitles. 2. Self-talk for 30 seconds. 3. Learn phrases you actually use. 4. Use sentence frames to make new sentences. 5. Read out loud non-stop for 5-10 minutes.
That's right. Start today. Pick one tip and do it right now.
Maybe start with self-talk while washing dishes.
Yes. Tomorrow, try watching a video. Little by little, your English will improve.
Thank you so much, everyone, for listening. Please tell us in the comments which tip you will try first.
Write it down, make a promise to yourself, and remember to subscribe to Miss English Podcast. Click the bell icon so you never miss an episode.
Give this episode a like, share it with friends, and keep practicing. You're doing amazing.
Believe in yourself. You can do this. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone. Happy learning. And remember, you just need to start.